I'm going to do a bike check here. We've got all of these bikes behind me, some of the sickest bikes in the world. Taka here, he's going to inspect it, but let's have a look. I'm going to do this in like 30 seconds. Let's see what he's got. First inspection, of course. We got flip levers here. That's simple. I thought the ODIs, which bolted on, but I think Tucker's going to explain that. They're not bolt-ons. Yeah. I was a little bit surprised. GPR, of course. Yeah, that's basic. New triple clamp on top.
No, this is the Zeta.
That's Zeta. Oh, Enzo. That's probably the most important part of this motorbike, I think. Some coloring.
DID wheel.
Oh.
DID chain.
DID everything.
EC cylinder head.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't see this.
Yep. Then
So pro circuit cylinder.
boy fan. Looks fancy.
It looks fancy. I don't know. A red filter.
Yeah, uni.
Thrill seekers. Oh, what's this?
This is a new shape of Yamaha because I don't know, but thrill seekers may know.
That's cool. What else? Some fancy colors here.
Yeah.
Kind of regular old foot pegs, Zeta foot pegs. All the little parts. All these little bits here. And an awesome bronze, gold, chrome, something. And he doesn't like it. So, did I miss anything? Is there anything special on your bike? It's kind of basic.
Kind of simple. Suspension, GPR, free driver, pro circuit, then DID wheel. I like it. Stay simple. Make it easy. Traveling.
Keep it simple, stupid. There we go. Wow, that was 30 seconds. No, it's 2 minutes.
Alright.
2 minutes, whatever. Good reel. Awesome. See you.
Then actually with plastic.
Oh, what?
Actually with
a cherbis? Is that how you say it?
how do you say?
I don't know. I don't know how people say it. I say a cerbis, a cherbis, a cerbis, a cherby. I've heard every variation. I don't know how to say that one. Yeah, there you go. Awesome. Now it's 2.5 minutes.
Yeah.
See you.